Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Since I am here in Philippines, so if I have a bike and I don't have the sidecar, so the meaning of living in Philippines particularly is not yet over. To have typical Filipino style, and you have a bike and you have good CC bike like what I have it right now in Yamaha S6. So I had enjoyed a lot so far as a single bike, and so I thought why I should not have a sidecar. So therefore I am here right now. Actually a month back, or maybe probably like 35 to 40 days back, I had came over here. And actually I don't want to go for like typical style of Filipinos sidecar or come sidecar for the bike. So I was looking for something, you know, not much fancy, not much bulky. So I was wondering if all the time back, like since I had bought this bike, that somebody he can do something like, you know, custom design and my own design. So therefore I move around, but so many rejected I had faced, and finally I was here in Tayog, and I'm here right now. I'm gonna share you their full details in a while. So they are good people, and they said no problem, we can do it. So you are doing all kinds of design, everything, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. He's now my close one of the friend, Jason, right?
J. Allison, sir.
Yeah.
J. Allison Bumatan.
J. Allison. Okay. What is your shop name?
Ali.
Ali. They are in Tayog, and he's very good guy because he is the one I given him the customized design for BMW sidecar, which inshallah maybe once it will finish we will show it to you. We will give you full demonstration, the details how this guy they are doing their job. They are really good, and I'm actually living in Florida, so all the way I'm coming to this guy only just because of that. He is doing very good job, excellent job. So I will recommend this guy, and definitely when my this sidecar is going to finish, I will make one complete video inshallah. So these are the Bumatai for dash B, how you will pronounce, for brothers sidecar makers, right? So here we are in Kurok 4, Barangay Labert State, Tayog, right? Sorry, my pronunciation is not much good. So I choose actually so many designs from the internet. So one of the design I like it for BMW bike. It's a sidecar, and so somehow I'm sure they cannot achieve to the 100% exactly, but they said similarly they can go for like 80%. So here I am, and we will go through. Still the final touch is going on, the final things are going on. So let's have a look, and we'll go in a detail, and then we are like halfway here, so they have to fix it to my bike as well. And moreover, aside from this one, I had told them that it should be flexible fixing in the future. If I want to remove so disconnect my sidecar, and I want to use my only single bike, so they said he will try to help me out to reduce the disconnecting. So it will be 3 connectors with the bolts and nuts, so which you can open it with the spanner or something like that. So hopefully, so whenever I have a mood, I want to enjoy only a single bike, so I can remove my sidecar for a time being, and I can ride my single bike, sorry. And since I'm in a mood because I have so many gears and camping gears, and I want to move around, so that's why I was looking for some side my extension for the bike, so I at least I can put my stuff and then go on. So here we go and have a look. So this is actually basically maybe you are knowing that this I have a bike Yamaha SZ, and this is a good bike so far, and it's nice. One side light and one front.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Like you sidecar, you picture.
Yeah, the same. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, same. So you can follow the same, and you will fix the LED lights, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, no. Okay.
Tomorrow, sir.